You only get one chance to make a first impression. And what does your home's appearance say about you? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned, and I'll share some simple and budget-friendly ways to improve your curb appeal right after this. Are you in the mood for some binge watching? Well, you're in luck because today's homeowner has partnered with Amazon Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and log in to watch more than 175 full-length episodes of the Today's Homeowner television show. Get all of your best how-to advice and simple solutions for your home on demand. Best of all, it's totally free for Prime subscribers. Find Today's Homeowner on Amazon and start your viewing marathon today. If your home is looking a little worse for the wear, or perhaps seems to be stuck in a decade of days gone by, here are some very simple, inexpensive improvements that all revolve around color. A new coat of paint is the #1 difference you can make, and if you do the painting yourself, you'll save a ton of money. And if time is an issue, simply focus on painting just one side of your house at a time. Another area to draw focus is on accents, such as a bold color door or complementary colored shutters. A splash of color in the yard adds a lot of appeal, so look at a few plants and flowers to create that interesting look. And finally, don't forget about something as simple as adding color and decorative foliage around your mailbox. Color is the key without spending a lot of green. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.